Tens of hundreds of people took to streets in Hajira region of Rawalakot district in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir as they staged massive demonstrations against the government. They expressed frustration over unjust tax hikes, an unprecedented surge in electricity bills despite prolonged power cuts, and against a state-manufactured crisis of essential services in the region. Demonstrators have called for a complete shutdown today, bringing the region to standstill. Pro-independence groups and nationalist parties also called for freedom from the clutches of Pakistan. Similar protests have enveloped almost entire regions of illegally occupied PoK and Gilgit Baltistan. Locals say while they are being made to pay unjustifiable taxes, the leaders and bureaucrats are wallowing in luxury. People in PoK blame Pakistan for exploiting the region for over 7.5 decades and not sharing revenue fairly with the people of the region who have a prerogative over resources of the region.
हमारे से कोई भी टैक्स ले ही ना, अगर टैक्स लें भी तो जायज़ तरीके से जो माइनर किस्म का टैक्स होता है वो हम देने के लिए तैयार हैं, लेकिन ये इतनी ज़्यादती ना करें कि अगर 5,000 रुपया बिल है और 5,000 के साथ 5,000 टैक्स आ जाता है या 10,000 टैक्स आ जाता है, नेवर। बल्कि मंगला डैम जब बना था, ये सदर यूब साहब प्रेसिडेंट थे, जब उन्होंने कहा था कि हम आपको बिजली फ्री देंगे, तो बिजली हमें मीरपुर वालों को खुसूसी तौर पे फ्री मिलनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इधर से जितना भी रेवेन्यू है वो पाकिस्तान को फ़ायदे से भी ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है।
Now they demand immediate rollback of tax hikes, transparency in pricing mechanisms, swift economic relief measures, and immediate redressal of issues related with health and infrastructure. They have also warned authorities with indefinite strikes and other grave consequences if their demands are not met immediately.